Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change autocorrect on Android. Here are the steps to change autocorrect settings on Android. First, turn on your Android device and make sure to unlock it. Open the Settings app. Tap the Settings icon. Scroll to System or General Management. The exact name may vary depending on your phone brand. Select Language and Input. This is where keyboard and text settings are found. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Sometimes it's called Virtual Keyboard. Choose your current keyboard. Most phones use Gboard, Samsung Keyboard, or another installed keyboard. Go to Text Correction or Smart Typing. The word depends on the keyboard you use. Find the auto correction option. Look for a toggle or checkbox labeled auto correction. Turn autocorrect off or on. Toggle it according to your preference. Adjust additional settings. Change spell check or suggestions as needed. Test the new setting. Open the messaging app and type to see if autocorrect works as intended. Close settings and continue typing. Your autocorrect changes will now be applied. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.